My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. I'm a Christian. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the home of the 5 minute or less. 5 minute or less YouTube. I don't like to bore people. The average person, by the way, just so you know, listens to a YouTube for about 4 minutes and they check out. So I go 5 minutes, just see who hangs in there. Anyway, welcome to the YouTube channel. I've worked about 10,000 cases. I am a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I should right after 50 years. So, by the way, if you need to get a hold of me, it's in the description section. I don't do a lot of promotions or anything like that. This particular video is really for a Christian going through a tax audit, and you need to find efficient, good representation. You know, tax audits could be very threatening. I don't know how many people we've represented over the years for, IRS audits. We have on our staff former IRS our auditors, revenue agents, and appellate officers, and actually tax attorneys if that's necessary. So if you get a tax audit notice, there's no reason to really go ballistic or berserk. Most people get them and they start shaking and they don't know what to do and they kind of become really frigid. The first thing you got to do is relax. You just got to get a hold of someone who can really represent your best interest. And if you don't have all your records, that's okay. There's reconstructed methods you can do. There's the Cohan Rule you can use if you don't have all your documents as part of reconstruction. So I just want to tell you today that we are a Christian tax firm and we've been representing people for a long time. Just don't get too upset if you do get that audit notice. Everybody does sometime in their lifetime, and if it's you, just try to, if you're going to do this yourself, you're welcome to. If you don't have any skeletons in your closet and your return is just absolutely straight on and you have all the documentation, there's nothing wrong with going in by yourself. But if you think your records are questionable and you think you maybe have 50% of the records, maybe, yeah, don't go in, because that's when you want to call somebody else. It's not so much about having all the records, but sometimes negotiating a final settlement as a result of the tax audit. We very rarely have anybody have all the records that contacts us. It's all in the art of the negotiation. It's a give and take. And if we don't like what the agent's doing, we just go ahead and we take the case to appeals. And then if you're going to have a tax debt, we can go ahead and deal with the debt. Anyway, I am Mike Sullivan. I have been to seminary. I usually pray with all my clients. So once again, as it says in Matthew 6:25-33, do not worry about anything, but you do want to be accountable. You want to make sure we give IRS the very best we can, and make sure more than anything you file all your returns and you stay current really every single year. Thank you very much for listening. I appreciate. You're welcome to call us for representation or a free consultation if you got a letter. Thank you.